Hey there, DIYers out there. Wanted to do a review of this saw guide, and what this does is it's actually lets you have the functionality of like a track saw at a far reduced cost. So it's got the things here where you can mount in your circular saw, and then it allows you to track along and have nice straight cuts without having to worry about doing it by hand. And again, it gives you the functionality of a track saw, but again, at a reduced cost. I'll put a link below. This particular one has been discontinued, but I'll send you the link to the one that's very comparable to this, and you can pick that up. And anyway, so let's go ahead and get this set up and we'll get going. All right, so first thing you want to do is, of course, get all your little clamps here loosened up so that you can get that securely in there. So get this in here. So it looks like this won't quite fit. This thing's in the way, so actually I'm pulling the safety guard up so it'll allow it to slide in slightly, but it's still plenty free from the metal, so I know that I'm not actually hitting anything, so I'm good there. So now I got that, I can go ahead and move these over into position to hold it down. Basically it's like clamping it down. I want to make sure that I got this nice and square, even with that, so it's giving me a square cut when I go to actually cut my boards. So you can see there it's not hitting anything, so I'm good to go. So let's actually okay, so I'm good to go there. Looks like everything's good. So from here, I'm just ready to just go ahead and get this measured for the length of the boards and get this thing cut. So I'm gonna be doing 24 inches, and let's see. Looks like this is just in meters or centimeters. So I'll just have to do the conversion. Okay, so now that I got this set, it's set here on that 23 and a half inches, and be going here along this guide. This guy's just gonna stay along here, and it'll let me do that straight cut. So again, make sure that I got a free wheel, good to go there. And here I'm just gonna hold on this side, keeping it nice and square onto this board, and just gonna run along. Let me get this stuff out of the way so it doesn't vibrate and get in the way. Okay, here we go. That seemed to work pretty good. Okay, give me a nice straight cut. I've always had that problem before with, use a circular saw when you're sawing something long and you didn't have, a track saw. It was just, although you try to cut along the line as straight as you can, it does do a little bit of a zigzag in here, in and out. But this right here gave me a nice straight cut. And to prove it, I can put it here on this board, and yep, don't see any gap in there at all. So it gave me a nice straight cut. So in summary, this track guide really does a great job for quick work, and it's nice and accurate. So I felt confident I was able to rip all through, get exactly the same measurement on every board I cut, and they're nice and straight. And show you, go ahead and got my shelves all done. Well, not all done, but mostly. So I've got the boards there, got them all cut. I'm gonna need to cut some more. Ran out of board basically, but yep, there we go. So again, I'll put a link down below for the one that's similar to this, that is just as good, if not better. And anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification for upcoming videos, and until next time, GoPro, stop recording.